Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about DDS. Today we'll take a look on how to create an agency grouping. This is of course an example you can replicate with different types of groups. When you arrive on DDS, go to the left into User Convenience and Groupings. On top of your screen, you're going to have different type of groupings. We're going to go into Agency Groups. On screen, you'll have the list of agency groups you created or your colleagues shared with you, like me with my colleague Yuri Cervinka. To create a group, click on Agency Group, and we can start filling the different fields. First, we're going to start with a group name. Here, you can choose which group name you want to put to find it easier on the list, and when you enter it in the search bar inside of each report. Here, we'll call it Montreal Agencies, for example. You can also create a group description. This is not mandatory. This is simply for your help to find it easier on the left in a group description. Here, we typed, I made this group during the video. The third field is asking if we want to show it an output. If we don't want to show it an output, but only be able to put it as an input, then we'll select No. For overlapping and non-overlapping, it will be shown both an input and an output. Any overlapping grouping can contain the same value, where non-overlapping cannot contain the same value. Here we'll choose overlapping. Next, the Agency Search drop-down menu allows the user to choose the specific information type to group agencies by between agency code, national office ID, and postal code. Based on the selection, the agency group field will allow to enter different values in the agency group value. The agency group value field allows you to enter the grouping value into this input box. You will need to type the agency code, national office ID, and postal code, depending on the previous choice in Agency Search, into the field and select choices from the drop-down menu. This field is copy-paste enabled from Excel or separated text, so here I can just paste all the codes I prepared into the field. You can choose if you want to share it with other users. You need to type the username or email address and pick it from the pop-up result. If you want to share it with a colleague, you will just select him here or multiple people at the same time. You also have the possibility to share this group with your entire organization, like here, for example, if we type ITA. If you want to unselect them, you can do it individually or in general. Then you have the option to cancel and exit this window without saving my progress. Or you can add and create the group with the selected settings. If you want to know more about all sections and fields, please go to the Knowledge section in the top right corner of your screen under the Help chip. You will find detailed information about every aspect of DDS. Once the group has been created, you can find it here. On this page, we can see each group details, and if we click on the three little dots, we can edit, share, delete, or clone the configuration. After that, we'll be able to find it inside the report input page of ticketing reports. In Report Layout, Agency, we will just have to type the name of the group we created. Here, Montreal Agencies, but it could be also another group, like we have a group that is named Paris Agencies, and we can have them here. We will rapidly fill the other fields to create a mock report and select agency name, ID, and grouping. Finally, this is an example of an output that you can have, and here we can clearly see the groupings because we choose it to be overlapping, and we can clearly see Montreal Agencies and Parisian Agencies. Thank you for following this video, and have a great day.